What's up, guys? Sean over at Jaguar Power Sports, located here in Florida. Let me ask you a question. Are you guys from Florida? Well, you're going to want to listen up because it's super important. Are you looking for a Harley, sports bikes, Can-Am Spyder, Slingshot, and everybody has told you no? Well, we want to tell you yes here at Jaguar Power Sports. We are the #1 dealership nationwide that has gotten subprime financing and less than perfect credit customers approved. It is our niche, it's our specialty, and it's what we do. You'll see that we have bikes of all makes and models of all sizes. No matter if you're a beginner, you're just starting, or you are a seasoned vet, we have a motorcycle for you. We have over 85 motorcycles in stock, and we specialize in less than perfect credit. Click the link below now and get approved in 30 seconds or less. That's right, we work with customers nationwide, but if you're located in Florida like we are, we can get you financed very easily. Click the link below right now. In 30 seconds of your time, you'll get one of these great, amazing motorcycles of your dreams. If everybody has told you no, we want to tell you yes. If you're sick and tired of being told no, your credit's not good enough, you can't get financed, you have blemishes, bankruptcies, foreclosures, we want that opportunity to get you financed, and it is super easy for us. 3,000 customers have been approved in the last several years by our company. As low as 425 credit score, we got a customer approved for $500 on a Harley of her dreams. 425 credit score. Guys, think about that for a second. 425 credit score, I got them approved for $500. Now, if you have great credit, that is fantastic. We do have financing for you as well, as low as 0% interest. Nobody can beat that nationwide. 0% interest, 48 months, 0% interest for 48 months if you have a great credit score. But if you don't, we have great lenders from you, from leasing to purchase options to no matter what you're looking for, we can get you financed. I want you to click the link below or give us a call at 904-693-1663. We have over 30 motorcycles right now in stock that are 0 down. I just want to show you a couple of them. We have 0 down, 0 down, 0 down, 0 down. We have a lot of motorcycles that we can get you financed on with as little as 0 down. If you have any questions, give us a call, 904-693-1663, or click the link below now and get pre-approved as little as 30 seconds. What are you waiting for? If you're still watching this video, I need you to click now. There's no hard pulls on your credit. It is a soft pull, and it will not affect your credit score one bit. Click the link below and get approved as little as 30 seconds. We want to put you on your bike of your dreams. If you have any questions, my name is Sean. You can reach out to us and we'd be glad to help you. 904-693-1663. Let's get you on a motorcycle today as little as 0 down. If you have any questions, give me a call right now.